Are you also worried how to make your YouTube shorts? Don't worry. So I'm going to help you with an amazing app which will help you to not only make your videos creative, catchy, but also very interesting. Okay, let's see how it works. You will click on your VN app, you will click on import, and then you will click on plus sign. And from here you can select any video, whatever you like to. Like I selected this one. This is a GIF. This is a GIF with my friends or maybe colleagues. So I selected add a heading point here, and after that I can write it maybe like enjoying with my friends. So I will write it down below. Okay, I can add any emoji as well here to make it more catchy. And then I can change the font or maybe the color. From here I can change the color, like see, I like the pink one here, and I can change the font as well. So even the style can also be changed from here. And that's all about this particular adding text on in your video. And let's quickly go ahead and see how we add any funny kind of audio. So from here we can select anything like funny machines, ringing, vehicles, weather, or fast wish, or anything. Let me add something funny here since it's with my friend. So I would like to select wow one here. I will select it like here. Isn't it that simple to use? That's all for today's video. See you. Stay tuned for more updates on technology, and do like, share and subscribe our channel.